Hey folks, Monday morning. Hope everybody had a great weekend. We are back at it. Now, after the markets got routed last week, we're seeing a bit of a bounce back this morning, really across the board, with the exception of the Nasdaq. Nasdaq remains under pressure. We're down about 0.4% right now, so that's about 50 points in the Nasdaq. Seeing tech stocks continue to get hit, much in the same way that they did last week. A lot of this on the back of this new COVID variant. Now, some of the other markets, Dow Jones this morning up about 200 plus, S&P's up about 14, so that's about 0.4%. So again, seeing a bounce back after some of the weakness that we saw last week. Big mover this morning again is oil. Oil's up about 2.5%, back up above $68 a barrel after Saudi Arabia over the weekend said it was going to raise its prices on oil. Seeing some strength in the dollar. We're seeing interest rates move higher this morning. Interest rates, notably that 10-year last week in that flight to safety was trading down about 1.33%, seeing a bit of a bounce back this morning. So starting to feel like we're getting a little more, or at least we're going to start the week with a little more risk on. Time will tell, though. Again, this market's very sensitive right now to really two things, the variant and inflation. And speaking of inflation, end of this week, we're getting that that core inflation report coming out at the end of the week. So we are going to have some inflation data coming out on Friday. Other market, interestingly, that got hit over the weekend in a big way, really Friday into Saturday, cryptos. Seeing them bounce back a little bit this morning, so seeing some strength, but that Bitcoin really taking a beating over the course of the weekend. All right, folks, Monday morning, we've got a big week ahead, a lot to do. Let's trade some price action. Have a great week. I'll see you folks again tomorrow.